Where are we going? Okay.
Louder. Nana can't hear you. Grandma can't hear you. Where are we going? Buzz. Oh. Stinker. Oh, cute. Hey, where's their... We gotta find out what their other pumpkins are, because they have those really cool ones they gotta put out. Knock. Actually, knock on that one. This one. It looks dark in there. Are they not home? Ring the doorbell. Oh, they're getting ready. Oh, here comes Miss Princess. Woof. You look beautiful. Oh, fun.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are you wearing a jacket tonight? Is that what you're going to do? Okay.
Do you want to see?
Of course I do. We're going together, aren't we?
Yeah, where's the candy?
Yeah, where's your candy? Because we're going to put it all together in the wagon if your mom wants us to do that. Where's she?
Sugar sweet back.
Oh no!